next speaker is Danny Kim. Dr. Kim is the Chief of Staff, Head of Corporate Development, Strategic Advisor at Welt. He obtained his degree in doctor in pharmacy at Northeastern University. He is also a board member of Health Sciences Entrepreneurs. Dr. Danny Kim will have his presentation on case study of insomnia digital therapeutics. Let's welcome Dr. Danny Kim.
Dr. Che, thanks for the kind intro. I'm going to try to see if I can pull up my presentation real quick, and we'll go from there. Please let me know if the presentation is coming okay on your end.
Yes, Dr. Kim, we can see your presentation well. You can start.
Beautiful. All right. Well, thank you for the introduction again. I'm Danny Kim, Chief of Staff and Head of Welt USA. And Welt is a Samsung spin-off company exploring the intersection of healthcare and technology. So Welt was founded in 2016 with a belief that software will treat the world, and realizing this mission is our team. So our team brings combined experience in pharma, technology, venture, and government. And together with the investors who reflect our belief on ideal qualities of a DTX company that is tech, pharma, and game, we believe that in order to create a meaningful healthcare change, we need to think like pharma, move like a tech company, and make products as engaging as game. And our investors represent this belief. Now, our vision to create technologies that can treat the world was born out of the trends that we observed around the globe. Globally, there is a growing burden of chronic disease and mental health. In US, for example, 6 in 10 Americans suffer from chronic disease. And this trend is very similar in Korea, where over 50% of adults 30 years plus suffer from some form of chronic disease. And this was the data from 2014, with the trend only going up in the past years that we've seen. Now, all at the same time, providers are in shortage, where number of clinicians per 1,000 people in both Korea and US are below OECD average. And at the same time, we live in the world where technology is becoming more and more pervasive. According to a research by the Pew Research Center, in Korea, around 95% of the population possess smartphones, comparable to around 85% that we've seen in the US last year. And in this unique intersection of technology pervasion and problems in healthcare, Welt is filling in the gap between the increasing demand for care and the limited supply of the care providers. We're leveraging our consumer tech DNA to create technologies that offer care and make intuitive sense to everyday consumers. So Welt believes that we have a unique angle as we build consumer products in the past that have won the hearts of the public. So we're leveraging this experience and background to restore the balance in what we call the 3 pillars of healthy life. So eating, sleeping, and exercising. And we believe that the disruption of homeostasis in these essential pillars of life will result in chronic disease. And our products accordingly target the serious indications in each pillar, such as eating disorder, chronic insomnia, and sarcopenia. Our approach offers 360 care. We create a feedback loop between our measurement module and our treatment module to deliver more personalized care. In the case of sarcopenia product candidate, we digitalize the gait measurement, which in turn provides remote and passively collected set of biomarker data to deliver more personalized therapy. I'll use Welltie, our DTX asset for chronic insomnia, which received the IND authorization from the Ministry of Food and Drug Safety and is currently undergoing a clinical study to further elaborate how these platforms come to life. And in the case of our insomnia product candidate, we're leveraging the digital biomarker data collected from smartphone and third-party wearables to monitor sleep patterns and related symptoms, which are then coupled with our treatment module. Our treatment module leverages cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or shortened the CBTI. And the CBTI is the first-line therapy recommended by medical societies both in the States and in Korea. Really, it is to examine the loop between the thoughts, behavior, and habit, and kind of cut that vicious cycle that may take place and result in the sleepless nights that you may have had in the past. We complement this with the stimulus control therapy, sleep restriction, sleep hygiene, relaxation technique to create more of a fuller approach to the insomnia treatment. Our treatment is backed by the prior clinical studies conducted by Korea's foremost insomnia experts. And our platform translates complex real-world patient and therapeutic monitoring data that are again collected from the smartphone and the third-party wearables into actionable insights, which in turn empower our clinicians to deliver more personalized care. Of note, our platform is designed to integrate with EMRs to increase clinician utilization and adoption rate. Again, EMRs being the electronic medical records. So the Wealth Eye is aiming for a public offering by the end of the year, and we're looking forward to more collaborations around market access and indication extension. So I'll shorten the introduction there, and please reach out if you'd like to learn more using the email below. And I look forward to a fruitful discussion with the panels at the end of the presentation. Thank you.